In this video you will learn how to verify your Lazada wallet. First, open the Lazada app. Launch the Lazada app on your smartphone, then log into your account. Go to your wallet, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner, then select Lazada wallet, start verification, tap verify for a basic wallet to begin the process, agree to terms, review and accept the terms and conditions by accepting the box provided, upload a valid ID, take a clear photo of your government issued ID, such as your driving license or passport or another form of ID. Take a selfie. Capture a selfie that clearly shows your face to match the ID you have submitted. Enter your details. Fill in your full name, date of birth and other personal details such as exactly where you appear on your ID. Submit the review. Once everything is complete, submit your information. Lazada will usually review within 24 to 48 hours. Now you know how to verify your wallet on Lazada. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.